Here is the twisted pair cable for the networking. You can see this have two ends. As you can see here, one end has a connector crimped in, and the other end needs to be crimped in a connector. So I'm going to show you how to crimp a connector for this particular cable. As you know, this is for the networking, computer networking, Ethernet it is used, and this cable has 8 wires actually inside. There are 4 pairs of wires, so 8 wires are there inside. I'm going to show you. Here is the wire. These are actually the pairs. You can see the first one in my hand is blue. The next is the brown pair. Here is the orange, and here is the green. In normal networking, these two, which is of course green and orange, these we are using. Actually the colors are not important, but we are making it as a standard. So these 2 pairs are used, or 4 pair communication we are making, and the rest of the wires are not used. These are just wires and they are there, but they are not used. Why, I don't know why they are putting in today's cable. They were thinking that we have to put these 4 pairs, and if these will fail or one of them will fail, so the other will do communication. But today really it's not the thing. The thing is only these 2 are communicating. If these are failing, the communication will be lost. So this is what is my experience with. So here is what is already crimped, and this is standard crimping, you can see. So I'm going to make crimping for another one. For the other end, I just take it from the cable. So what I'm going to do is I have to use this crimping tool. This is a crimping tool. Here is the cutting, and here is the crimping tool here inside. So what I'm going to do is first I will have to cut an inch piece, an inch of the jacket from the cable like this. I will just mark it a cutting and remove an inch jacket from the cable, and then what I have to do is I have to separate these cables, and this thing which is coming for the secureness of the cable, I have to cut it. This is not needed in the crimping. So what I have to do is I have to open these twistings for the first cable, which is in my hand is of course orange one, and straighten it up like this. And then for the next second cable, which is green, I have to make it the same thing, but I have to put it like this. And sometimes, as the colors are not very much visible on the white, so I have to take care of. Sometimes if they will be mixed, there will be no communication. And in the middle, this blue and white wire will come, but first will come blue one and then same white, like this. And then next is the brown one. How to open, same way, straight it up. So what will be my sequence of the wire is, first will be the white orange, next will be the orange, then green orange, green white, then blue white, green, brown white, and brown. So this will be the sequence, and I will cut the extra cable pieces using my cutter. I have to cut this way and straight it up, and then put the plug in the way. The tab I have to make it down, I have to put it down, and I have to put these gently inside and put it all the way inside the plug, so that it will make a perfect connection. You can see here these wires are coming up to this end. So by this way I have to fix it, and then we'll crimp it. I will insert the plug in the crimping tool by this way, as it is coming up to this length, you can see, to the end of the crimping tool, and then we'll press it. We'll give pressure by my hand like this. So now you can see, if I remove this crimping is perfect. This is perfectly crimped in. So this was what was our crimping. As you can see, the other end is also crimped already. So this crimping I made right now. So this was way for the crimping of networking Ethernet cable. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching.